saguaros, it's all about their age, not how tall they are. They're 65 to 70 years old before they will produce their first arm. The one in front, the tallest, but that's the baby. That's probably 75 years old. This beautiful cactus over here, you see, that cactus is over 200 years old, and the reason it has only arms on it is they act like a counterbalance to keep it from falling down. And then in the spring they have white blossoms on them. That's the state flower of Arizona, just like the base of the Superstition Mountain. Other than today, it's the most photographed natural phenomenon in all the Arizona territory, except for the Grand Canyon. You see, that mountain was 20 million. You didn't hear anything. They heard thunder in the distance. They thought it was the underworld gods of the mountain talking. In 1865. See, that's when Camp McDowell became Fort McDowell. An army post was established there. Now, farmers came out of the Midwest to raise food, and, well, very significant, you see, it's a high plains desert. They really didn't struggle until they met the second indigenous tribe of the area. They were called the Pima, P-I-M-A. Pima Indians, a very benevolent group of Indians. Now, you see, turquoise is a stone with a texture and a feel. It can be yellow, it can be green, it can be blue, and the most desirable of all is called white buffalo. It's creamy white with black spider veining called inclusions. And if you ever go to a dealer and they go, there's no such thing, run away fast. Even on the internet, there's a guy on YouTube. I was telling him earlier, we got diamonds in Payson, Arizona. It's called Diamond Point. You can go up there after the winter freeze and thaw, break back the pine needles in the spring and pick up something that's this big and that beautiful. It's called a multifaceted single. People say, can we go gold mining? Not here. There's only 2 gold claims left legal here. The old Mammoth Mine and the Wasp Mine. No other gold claims are being let in this area at all. Now, there's a bunch of them in Prescott, and there's gold there, yes. Speak of the area, too. And it'll be clearing, Charlie. It's supposed to start at 11:30. We're just about on schedule. They're coming to the station. I did say my name is Billy Redhorse. Yes, it is. You see, I'm half Native American. I'm 1/4 Cherokee, 1/4 Seminole. First name really is William. My grandmother was Cherokee, gave me my name. See, I've been a horse trainer since 1969.